Hey everyone, I'm Gina, and I'm going to be using the Canva app available for your phone to edit today's interview style video and show you how you can make one. First, I'll open Canva, and I'm going to go ahead and hit this plus sign, and I'm going to make a mobile video. So 1080 by 1920. This is also, a reel, a TikTok, a short, they're all that size as well. So I'm going to select the mobile video. And I'm going to go ahead and search the word question. So this one's pretty cool. So I'm going to go ahead and grab this template, and you can change your font to make it match whatever you use in your branding. All Google fonts are supported here and more. So I use Open Sans, and you can click and replace the media as well. So if I want to use a picture of a forest or whatever I want, and I can go ahead and type my question that I'm answering here in the text. So, and I'm going to shorten this. 11 seconds is a little bit long. I'm going to make it more around 4. So there's your first question. And then you take your clips you filmed and you bring them right in. So you would go ahead and hit the plus sign, and then you're going to hit replace. And you will select your clips first. And then you can go ahead and duplicate this, and then you can drag it in order. So we'll want the after clip one. So we would put our second question in here, and then do the same thing again, put our clip in. Here's how and here you see I have a really cool interview video now. I have the question. I'm going to go ahead and preview it for you. So you have the question, and then you have me answering it. First things first, prepare. And you would just go ahead and export this and hit download, and then save it as an MP4 video. It'll be right on your camera roll for you to use in post. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Let me know if you have any questions.